Okay, so we are opening the door with the air-lux button. The air is going out. The sealant will retract and it is slightly opening. When the window is open, then a full height cover will flip up in order to make here a very smooth surface. Now the window is open, so you can see the heart of air-lux. This is the air-assisted sealing system. It is a rubber tube which is going all around the frame, inflating like a bicycle tire when the window is closed, to provide a full 100% sealing. Another point I like to point out is the lock, the locking solution. The lock itself provides a locking mechanism for the slider when it is closed. Okay, when the window is open, this flip up cover will come up so that the gap here is fully closed from inside to outside. It is a flush surface, easy to walk. Let's talk about how to enter from outside when the slider is closed. An optional fingerprint reader can be fitted on the outside cover just next to the window. It is a very slim reader, barely bigger than a finger, designed for flush installation. Slide the finger slowly over the scanner. If access is granted, a signal will be sent to the slider to unlock and open. Okay, now we are closing. Push the button and the slider is slowly closing. It is locking, and then the air sealant will inflate. I would like to show how to open only a small gap. I push the button only briefly, then it stops in this position before fully opening. If I push the button again, hold it down for 3 seconds, then it will fully open. Now the window is fully open. Let's show again how to close it halfway and stop and reopen. I push once. I push once to stop it. Now I would like to re-close. I push again 1 time and the window is closing again. So you can see there is multiple ways to operate the window into different positions. Okay, let's talk about safety. The window is open and some object, a backpack, a toy, maybe even a smaller or a bigger thing is in the way. As you can see, the window has a sensor to detect this type of object. It will touch, it will squeeze a bit, but it will not hurt, and it will stop. That's for the safety of the people and will ensure that the objects and the window itself will not be damaged. Okay, now let's assume there is a power failure and the situation is the window is closed. The window is closed. When I push the button here, the window cannot open because no power. That means the window can also manually not open. However, there is no reason for risk, for problem. The window is locked, it is safe, and the air tube is filled, means that the sealing against the rain, the wind, the air is all perfect for about 3 weeks. If in any case, in such a house, you will have a UPS, a battery pack to give power to the window and to the house, or you have a genset to provide power for the house. So then the door operation can be resumed as normal. Now I'd like to demonstrate the situation on the power shortage, on the power out, when the window is open. The window is open, the rain starts, there is a thunderstorm, the power is out. You come into the house, but there is no power. Then you can easily close the window by hand. You can see I can do with 2 fingers, I can move the slider slowly up until the end, and it will automatically close. Okay? The window is closed. It cannot be opened by hand. However, the air sealant is not inflating anymore because there is no power. So the window for a while, for a few hours hopefully, until the power comes back, there will not be a full sealing against the air and against the rain. But at least the window is closed and the house is safe. Air-lux is a product from Switzerland. It is fabricated by a company which is an engineering and facade company since 20 years in the market, and it has very unique feature. The core of this product is the air-assisted sealing system. The air tube, which I'm going to show you later on, is ensuring that there is a 100% impermeability against the driving rain from outside, the air infiltration, and of course also noise reduction, as you can hear, will be reduced dramatically. The product is, air-lux is a sliding window which can come in very large panels, up to 18 square meter in size, in weight of 1,800 kilogram, and it is ensuring a perfect smooth operation because the fittings are very robust. The fittings are hardened steel. You have 2 rollers down here which are moving the slider very smoothly. If the panel is very heavy, then we will install a motorization which is integrated into the profile system. Air-lux is the best product in the market because it has these unique features which are particularly important for the Hong Kong typhoon weather. If the wind force is very strong, then only Air-lux can guarantee a resistance to the pressure and a continuous 100% impermeability, so you will not have air leakage on the side and on the bottom. Air-lux is a product which is subscribing to no compromise. I have seen that personally in the Air-lux factory, and I can guarantee that this company and all its employees are ensuring the best quality for the owner and the people living in this house.